Hey caregivers, Lisa Williver here from At Home with Dementia. Today we're talking about setting the mood for your loved one. So if your loved one lives at home or with you or in an assisted care facility, then what you want to do is you want to try to have their environment set a certain mood. So for Aunt Gerri, one of the things we do is we use the Alexa device to play her favorite songs. And that changes. Lots of times it's the oldies, but other times she wants to hear classical or she wants to hear jazz. So she's been using it so long, she knows to ask for what she wants. Building these habits early will prove useful down the road in this journey. So you want to make sure whether it's lighting. Aunt Gerri loved lights. She loved twinkle lights and when her Christmas decorations were up. So we kept the tree up all year and we made it a month tree. So every day she gets to look at those lights. We have the music in her activity room. We have a light that has different colors so the room can have a pink hue or a yellow or an orange hue, whatever color she feels like. It's almost an infinite number of choices. But what you want to do is make sure your loved one is surrounded by things that make them happy, that make them comfortable, that reduce stress, because these are the things that will help them to slow their own progression. So set the mood. And if it's something that has to do with aroma, please do not use candles. There are so many other ways that are safe and will not cause a fire. You can use diffusers or wax melts or simple air fresheners. If there's some kind of scent that makes them very happy and makes them calm, set the mood. Remember, you can use scents and aromas, you can use lighting, you can use music, and even their favorite foods. If you have their favorite foods on hand, that's also one more piece of the puzzle. But whatever you do, keep your loved one happy and stress-free, and you can slow down that progression. For more information, click on to the next video, check out athomewithdementia.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for stopping by.